Welcome back, you guys. We have just arrived at 272 Antiques in Adamstown, Pennsylvania. This is my second stop of the day. It is 10:01 a.m. They've just opened the doors. I'm super excited. I'm super caffeinated too, if you guys haven't noticed. I'm ready to go shopping, especially because this is gonna be my last trip to Adamstown until like July. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, stop. Look at these glass frogs. Oh my gosh, this is only $7.50. That is so sweet. I don't like buying these because they're so fragile and so the glass is so thin to ship. But I kind of want to get it anyway, especially because the subject matter is epic and, well, it's really sweet, especially with the clouds. Oh my gosh. And then the God Bless Our Home one, that's sweet too. It's got a little paint loss. I love those glass vases too. That one's $29, the big one with the daisies. I think I'm gonna go ahead and pick this up anyway, just because the paint is like pristine. I'll just have to like double box it or something. Yeah, these are really old and really pretty. Maybe I shouldn't. I don't know. I'm nervous about it. So pretty. Okay, maybe on another day I would, but I'm nervous about how fragile the glass is, honestly. Oh, it's painful to leave. All right, well, there's like a whole horde of ladies looking in the booth at want to, so I'm killing time next door here. $8, is there a discount in this booth? I know that's super fair. I'm being super cheap, but like I said, I'm being super thrifty today. I'm trying to go to as many places as possible. Oh, what is this thing? Oh, it's like a little... Oh, that's not what I thought it was at all. I thought it was like a majorette. All right, well, they're like really having a fun time in there. I'm like halfway through the aisle and they're still there. So I'm just gonna come back to that one at the end. Snowman, 14 and paint loss, can't do that. Oh, I love the Howdy Doody flocked. That's so much fun. And they got Bozo. What is that? What? These are really weird, but I kind of like them. What is this? Huh, that's kind of interesting. Oh, I really try to go in order, but this booth always throws me off when I come at this aisle, come at the end of this aisle. I love this booth so much. I think I am gonna stick to my routine though and save it. Oh my gosh, there's that funny bear again. I don't remember seeing a squeak toy Wonder Woman. $50. I've never seen that before. Oh, look, there's that Snoopy. And this booth is relatively new, if I'm not mistaken. This is cool. Looks like, let's see. Sweden, $18. I don't see a discount. Yeah, I don't see a discount. Huh, I like that. It's a cat. I feel like that's... I don't know much about that. Wait a minute. Does this say $15? Vintage cranberry, white, spotted, ruffled edge. $15? What, dude? Oh my god, it weighs like 20 pounds. Otherwise, I would totally get that. That is really pretty. Let's see. Yeah, they got some good stuff in this booth. Those are kind of strange. The ship planter is really cool. Kind of a shipping nightmare. $20. Totally good price, actually, I'd say. Let's see. Oh my gosh, look. Costa Boda. This is cool. $10. Again, it weighs so much. I'm so weird about picking up super heavy items. There's a lot going on in this booth too. What is this ceramic basket? I'm wondering if it has a neat design on it. No, it's plain. The other thing that kind of caught my attention was this cloth doll. She's cute. She's got some staining going on. Ooh, love all the crackle glass. That is kind of hit or miss for me, honestly. I'm gonna try and stay away from picking more of that up because the last few pieces I've gotten stuck with. This is really pretty, even though that doesn't seem right, but I don't know. I'm super into this candy jar. It's $9.50. It's a really fun shape and a really pretty color. Oh, I kind of want to get that. Oh, they're out of that booth. Hold on. All right, let's see. Little sad dog. He's cute. Oh, he's got a little paint loss there. Looked at that lamb before. I think that's Stangle, if I'm not mistaken. Is that how you pronounce it? Aha, but cats. $20 for that. Yeah, all right. Oh my gosh, this squirrel is phenomenal too. And I'm such a fan of this kind of glass. 16 custard glass, so pretty. Let's see. Yeah, $9.50 on this one. That's a good price. I think I'm gonna go back and get that candy jar. All right, I grabbed that candy jar. I could not resist. That thing is really, really cool. The more I look at it, the more I like it. Let's see what else we got. Oh my gosh, stop. Look at the hand puppet. Puppets don't sell well for me, but if they did, I would definitely grab that. I actually don't know how much it is, but it's awesome. All right, I did decide to go ahead and look at how much it was. I realized the case was unlocked. It's $15, which is probably about around what I'd sell that for, so I'm not gonna pick it up, but I love it. Costume jewelry. Let's see. Oh, they got all kinds of stuff in here. I'm going in. What is this handkerchief? That's really interesting. Silk hanky, $8. And these are really pretty at $29. This is weird. All right, back to, oh, what's this? Oh my gosh, there's like a, oops, I'll grab that. $4.50. I see cats. $6.50. Look at that. That is really funny. I kind of like that one. And the fish. The fish is only $4.50. That's really neat. I've only gotten one fish pin and it didn't sell that way well for me. 7. I like the turtle too. Not seeing anything that's making me really too excited yet. I see a lot of stuff I like that's close, but maybe stuff that I'd pick up on if I was in a different mood. That's quite the epic Mexican pottery cat. Well, I'm not sure if you can see it from this far away what I see. Oh my gosh. The poodle band. All right, so they're either missing one or missing a price. It looks like they are missing one. I feel like it should be a set of 4. I'm gonna look around for it. Well, unfortunately, I'm not seeing a price or a 4th one. I see that a lot of them are missing their whiskers, which kind of stinks, but oh well. Can't win them all. I know I looked at this elephant lamp before, but I can't remember how much it is. It's so fantastic. 45, wait. Oh my gosh. Shut the front door. Oh, I love this. This is something I would buy for myself 100%. If it was less, I would even pick it up and maybe resell it. Wow, that is fantastic. I love stuff like this. Oh, I kind of want it. Oh. All right, let me let it go. I don't need that today. I'm about to drive across the country for 6 weeks. Lord knows what I'll find. But also these glasses. Stop. I already know they're expensive, so I'm not gonna ask them to turn the tag around in the case. Oh man. All right, my new goal is to get through this entire antique mall without thinking about those glasses again. Let's see. Little Bryn's cat, $5. It's got a little nick on it. Well, I've just gotten word that next week is actually extravaganza, but she's gonna extend the discount to me in this booth anyway. Oh my gosh, look at how cute this is. Oh, these are these little candle rings? I just had a bunch of these. Oh, those are napkin rings. I like this too. Oh my gosh, look at the armadillo. Cat plane. I just had this one. It's such a good price though. If I hadn't just had it, I would pick that up. I can't believe I've only picked up one thing so far. Even for me, that's a little extreme. What about this blue? I like the color on that, 30. What in the world is this? $2.25. Well, it looks like the top to a music box, but I really don't care that it's missing the music box. It's so stinking cute. I've never seen anything like this. And despite the fact that it's hollowed, it's in like pristine condition for $2. I'm grabbing that. What about this? 20 bucks. Okay. Yeah. All right, 2 items. It's better than one. I see a little rubber face friend down here. That's cute. 18 is too high for me, but can still appreciate. Oh, I love this set. These are so pretty. My friend Jocelyn gave me a green set like this, but the Blendo is on the tumblers with the hand painting. It's so epic. Oh, and it's like the best shade of green they make. Ah, look at these happy little chefs. Those are, oh my gosh, they're tied together. Just kidding. They're cute, but I think I'm gonna leave them for $9. They're a little bit more than I'd like to pay for that set. For resale, that is. For retail, someone's gonna be happy to see them. I feel like last time I was here, I got a really good set here. I'm thinking I'm not gonna get as lucky this time. Little cats, $6. They have a little bit of condition issues going on. Well, you guys, I'm making my way back up towards the front for checkout. I just think it might be a 2-item day here, which is okay because it's only our second stop. Oh, but what about this planter? Oh, that is neat. I love that it's got the textured paint on it. Ooh, oh my gosh. Ick, 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 ick. Oh my gosh. Look at all the owls. They're all right about what I would get for them after fees, unfortunately. But I have a feeling come the weekend, some collector is gonna come in here and scoop all these things up. They're amazing. They've got some really good ones too. Oh my gosh, and the gold one. Really broke the bank with that one. I left with a whopping 2 items and spent an even more whopping $12. So not bad at all. I'm gonna keep going. You know what's coming next. It's one of my favorite places ever, ever, ever. I'm so excited. You know it as the, what did I call it? All right, well, brain fart. I can't remember what I called it. But, oh, the Crazy Doodad place, of course. I'll see you guys there.